What is going on, guys? Welcome to GregglesTV Daily, your source for daily tech news. Make sure you subscribe so you know what's going on in the world of tech. How is everyone doing? Let's get into the news. If you have the Galaxy Note 9 and you're on the Android Pie Samsung One UI beta build, they have just pushed out, at least in Germany, a stable build of this. Now, the stable build should be good enough for you to run on a daily basis at this point with no worries so far, but just having this beta hasn't really been an issue. And the update that is being pushed out right now for the stable build includes the January security update and is only 95 megs. And the last story of the day is about the battery capacities for the Galaxy S10 variants, the Lite, the regular S10, and then the S10 Plus. Now, we talked about the Lite version yesterday having a battery capacity of 3,100 milliamps and that being kind of disappointing. Now let's talk about the S10 and S10 Plus. And as you can see, they're written on the cases themselves, and on the right is the S10 Lite, which is 5.8 inch with a 3,100 milliamp. The 6.1 inch is rumored to have a 3,500 milliamp battery capacity, which would match the Galaxy S9 Plus, I believe, currently. And then the 4,000 milliamp, which is also known as the 6.4 inch. The S10 Plus one should have a 4,000 milliamp battery, which would match the Galaxy Note 9. So my guess, seeing these battery capacities, is that with the S10 Plus, you're gonna get very similar battery life, probably slightly better maybe than what you get on the Note 9, which is fairly decent. At least for me, it's fairly decent. It's better than average. And then on the S10, the regular version having a 35 milliamp, we're gonna get similar battery life to the S9 Plus, and then on the S10 Lite, you're gonna get similar battery life to the regular S9 most likely. But those are the numbers so far for the battery capacities. Let me know in the comments down below what you think of them. Are they good, bad? Should they be better? Obviously they should probably be better, but do you think it's enough to make Samsung compete with best phone of the year with the S10 line of phones? Thanks for watching. I will see you down the road. Peace!